Yo, what's up guys and girls? It's Delwin with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. Today we're going to be working on the Civic. I got some new LED headlights for the Civic. Those, like, I don't know, halogen bulbs. I don't like them. They're just not good quality. You can't see at nighttime. So we're going to replace them on the Civic today. There is a slight little problem, so it's not going to be easy as normal. Here's the old halogens and here is the new LEDs. And this is supposed to sit flat, this backing washer. And as you can see, this piece of the halogen is so fat, it will not allow the LED to slide into the headlight. So what I'm going to have to do is, where this halogen slides in, I'm going to have to bore it out to the width of this right here to get the LEDs in there. And in order to do that, we have to take the headlights off the car. So this is about to suck ass. I do not feel like taking the whole bumper off, the headlights and everything, because I got this thing lined up so damn perfect. And on top of that, now I'm risking scratching it up. This is just a tab that's actually folded over that holds it together. So when I was boring it out, that tab was no longer there, which led it to fall out. So we're just gonna go ahead and continue on with this project, even though this kind of kills me right now to do this to some brand new headlights. But I just hate having those halogens in there, and I really want the LEDs to go inside. Alright guys, I went with JB Weld on this because it has the highest strength available. Gorilla Glue was 4,000 PSI, this is 5,000 PSI, and Gorilla Glue's max temperature was 300 degrees, which this is 500 degrees. So this should be good and safe for our headlights. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up and get started, but I'm gonna put a towel down, that way we can set the headlight on it first. The other thing I really liked about this one is that it's a paste. The other stuff is more watery. So this paste will be way easier to apply and get it to stay in place. Alright guys, we have the headlights right here. I'm in the house, I'm not outside. It's raining outside, so I'm in the house. We're gonna have to install it a different day. But as you can see, look at that. I could lift the whole headlight up.
just from the mounting point that we JB welded together. So this is working excellent. I'm super excited about this. I don't think that we should have any problems because this headlight mounts onto the outer bracket, so there's no pressure applied to where we mounted it at. We'll go ahead and install these on a different day to where it's not raining outside, but I'm excited this worked out. I was so scared about cutting up some $200 headlights, guys. Like, that shit scared the life out of me.
All right, guys, so the headlights are back in the car. It looks beautiful as can be. Now let's turn them on for you guys. I put the LEDs on the turn signal circuit. Now there's no more yellow. You can see the LED strip, and we have the amber bulb right there. Looks way better, looks way cleaner. When we put the turn signal on, it oscillates between the LED and the turn signal. Look how clean it is. Like, this car almost looks fake. That's how glossy and nice it is. It looks so clean. Well, hopefully you guys like the look of the Civic. Thank you guys for putting up with me bringing this car back. It's been a long road. Felt like it's been taking forever. I know you guys said this is like, it didn't take any time and I built it back ASAP, but to me, it felt like a long time. Hopefully we could get some rolling shots of the car. I think the next things that we are going to do with the Civic will be to relocate the battery, put it behind the passenger seat, and also install the oil catch can. Then we'll get to installing the turbo. Anyways, this is Delwin with Diverse Ford Research, Built to Drive Media. Make sure to like, follow, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.